Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking the essential stack: voice, vision, text, and pick one modality to iterate fast. Choose a base language model and matching speech-to-text and TTS. Explain why you chose open weights or managed API, because latency and cost matter. Provision a GPU-enabled instance or managed inference node, then containerize your services and put keys into a secrets vault. Once done, scaffold a minimal message bus and simple intent router so you can send and receive events reliably. You now wire components into a cohesive pipeline: intent parser to classify requests, a dialog manager to maintain context, and a state store for user sessions. Use event-driven messaging to decouple services. Connect external APIs like calendar and email through well-defined adapters, and make sure to add rate limits and exponential backoff. Implement safety and permissions up front. Explain why logging, input sanitization, and explicit consent prevent escalation. Once integrated, run scripted scenarios. You finish by optimizing and hardening. Refine prompts, add caching for frequent queries, and quantize models where possible to reduce inference cost and latency. Set up CI/CD with blue-green deployment, observability dashboards, and alerting for errors and SLA breaches. Test with real users and collect feedback. Make sure to update permission scopes as features expand. If something breaks, start by reproducing a minimal failing case. Inspect logs and traces. Then roll back or tighten timeouts and retry strategies to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.